Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Twitter Blue features, quick fix step by step clearly. To begin using Twitter Blue, ensure you have an active subscription. Open your Twitter app or visit the website. Log into your Twitter account if you aren't logged in already. Navigate to the profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on Twitter Blue from the menu that appears. Here, you will see an overview of all the features available. To enable the Undo Tweet feature, toggle it on. This allows you a short window to retract a tweet after posting. Explore the reader mode by tapping on an article. This mode enhances the reading experience by streamlining long threads. To customize your navigation, go to the Customization section. You can select your own icon and theme color. If you want to access the bookmark folders, visit your bookmarks. Organize bookmarks into folders for easy reference later. To use the Edit Tweet feature, create a new tweet. After posting, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Edit Tweet to make changes within the available time frame. Make your edits and save them to update your tweet. You can also access exclusive content and focus sessions. These will help you stay updated with trends and prioritize tasks. Lastly, check for any new features periodically in the Twitter Blue section. Utilizing these features will enhance your Twitter experience significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.